Yeah. Turn me on. Robbie! Can I get a hi yeah?
What up, what up? This is D, checking out MX207 in Lyman, Maine. Haven't been to this track before, heard a lot of good things about it. I just hanging with some friends, doing some motos in the mud. It rained a little bit last night, and looks like this track kinda can always be muddy. But anyway, went out with the BC guys, haven't been here. I know that there's a lot of jumps and whatnot, so I just thought I'd play it safe and go around at my own speed, just checking things out. Anyway, the place does have a kids track. I didn't really look at it close up, but it looks pretty fun. There's some jumps and stuff for the kids. Check that out as well, but here we go. I'm gonna talk a lap at MX207 with y'all, just to see what I'm seeing and see what you guys can take out of this if you want to come here and check it out. Anyway, this is a big tabletop here, which I didn't do today. I know I can totally do it. I just didn't muster up the speed. A lot of ruts, a lot of mud. I don't know. Wasn't feeling it. Then it's inside, outside. Yikes. I like that inside turn. The outside is kind of wide at this track. There's all two lines everywhere, so you've got options to inside line, outside line. The outsides just seem like they're really far out there, so I don't know. Inside, if you were racing here, might be a better option to pass people and whatnot. But there's a lot of mud here today, and I'm not a mud rider, nor am I a big jump kind of a person, so this track was weird for me today, but anyway, it was fun. We made the best of it, and I enjoyed it. My buddies did too, so this section here was deep mud in the area I'm going in, but it was good. Got to ring out the bike a bit. This jump was easy. I was overshooting that one. This one looks the same, but it's a little bigger. I was hitting that. Inside, outside here. I get outside. This is a pretty good size one. All the faces of these jumps are pointing at the sky. I just never know how long it is. I can't gauge it because I haven't been here before, so don't mind me undershooting all these jumps, but yeah, I just can't tell where I am on the track. Next time I'll get them good. There's an inside outside kind of flat tracking thing here. There's a triple coming up, very easy, and then wide open down the straight stretch, which was super fun. I like the high speed stuff like this. It just I don't know, just you're ringing out your bike, you get going. You know, there's a little jump here with an inside outside. I like the inside on this one. I was going inside, practicing my ruts or whatever, because I'm horrible at those as well, trying to make them stick. But a lot of jumps, like another table and then another little table. This section was all muddy. It's like a whoop section kind of deal. And at the beginning of the day, it was all muddy. So this is my last moto of the day. We're about to jet out of this place, but just doing a once over. This is like a hair scramble kind of J-Day thing. There's two lines there, like a Joker lane or whatever, which was pretty cool too. And then going wide open into out of this thing on a drifting flat turn type of deal to the tabletop. Next time I go, I'm gonna hit this tabletop. It's not that bad. You just gotta go at it pretty fast. And I don't know. I was just enjoying the track. It was starting to flow for me. You know, going inside, outside on these rutted out berms, just enjoying it, making the best of it. I thought it was a really fun track. I thought it was gonna be a much faster track, but guys do get going over like 50 miles an hour on this track on this back straight, and I don't think I quite got there, but needless to say, it was a high-speed section. This one right here, you land and you're just like wide open. It's like a kicker in the middle right here, which was super fun. A lot of people were getting head shake and stuff. I as well too, but I enjoy the higher speed straight like that in the sand. It was sandy over there. This again is like that real mud stuff. Oh man, I hate that speck of dirt in the lens. Just leave it there for a perspective so you can tell I have like 20 or 30 of them damn things on my goggle lens, which sucks. But anyway, we'll make do with it. You see, I'm hitting all the tables now. I'm getting going. Just riding around. Well, anyway, guys, I had a fun time at this track. I recommend it. You guys should check it out. We'll see you at the next stop. Later.